tabi ng dagat, malakas talaga yung hangin.
Sinong fishing?
And so nawawala ang susi
Bruh.
ng sasakyan.
Ay! Ha? Nawala? Say hi, boss.
Hi.
And guys, nagagalit yan sa akin guys. So, kaya kayo. Ayan.
Meron nang nakapasok.
Ka-on. Yan. Pag naka-off, yan. Sobrang gamit na gamit yung LED bar natin guys. Alright, so yan, still packing up. Kasama pa rin natin this vlog, si Kuya Mac Vlogs, and then si Mr. Motoholic. So, ayan. Kakatapos lang ng election guys. It was election day yesterday. So today, magre-relax muna kami. Madami tayong mga bagong gamit, especially sa kitchen side. So, we'll feature that later. So, ayan guys. Nagkakarga. So, ito guys. Akin na daw to guys.
Yung yellow.
Lucky slap.
What?
Guys, so kasama natin yung whole fam pa rin. Kasama natin si Ange. Say hi, boss.
Hi.
And guys, nagagalit yan sa akin. So, we are about to leave. Kinakarga na lang namin yung last of the few things. Dito sa Baganga, hindi masyado tayo madaming dalang gamit kasi malapit lang naman yung may residence din kami dito. So, quite light lang sa gamit, not too much. Just the essentials. Sa sleeping nga, madaming nakalimutan. So, yan. So, nagbanggaan guys, traffic. So, ayan. Madami lang tingnan pero hindi masyado, that's not really that much na dala. Hindi ko lang talaga super inayos yung paglagay kasi kaunti lang yung gamit. So basically yung mga basics lang natin yung dala. Yung ating cooking utensils, yung ating grill, etc. Ganon. Yun lang. Pero may feature tayo kasi may binili tayo na parang inverter na pwede mo lang isaksak sa battery. Tapos may dala kami dalawang, kasi may mga spare lead acid batteries or yung car batteries, may dala tayo. So let's see kung anong gaano magtagal yung mga car batteries mamaya. May dala tayong dalawa and then may inverter tayong dala. So we'll feature that later. Tingnan natin. Also, abangan hopefully mamaya or let's see, makakapag fishing content tayo. Hindi naman ako I don't do fishing yet. Pero yun, yung nag-fishing talaga si Kuya Tads guys. Ayan si Kuya Tads. So siya talaga yung mahilig sa fishing. Si Tadski.
Sinong fishing? Sinong
Bruh.
fishing?
And so nawawala ang susi
Bruh.
ng sasakyan.
Ay! Ha? Nawala? I saw it good. Nakita ko yun. Saan yun? See, daan palagi ko. So ayan guys, nawala yung susi pero kasalanan pala ni Kuya Mac Vlogs.
Oh.
Actually, iniwan niya doon guys. I saw it kanina. So ayan. So may dala kaming water. 3 galon ng water kasi walang tubig doon sa area. So we need to bring water. So kasi hindi na masasakay dito, kaya namin sinakay ng Mr. Motoholic. So ayan, kasama natin si Ea Cakes na naman. Ayan guys. Medyo masungit siya guys kasi galit siya sa akin. Also pala, may bago tayong toolbox this time around. Ayan. So bumili ako ng bagong toolbox so that pwede ko siyang maisakay sa carrier. Kasi yung mga Mr. DIY na toolbox, although maganda naman yun, the problem is nasisira siya and it's not really that watertight. Hindi naman to waterproof pero at least kapag nasa labas, di siya kahit maulanan, it's fine. So at least the tools is easily accessible, nandyan lang. Ayan na yung battery, nakuha na pala. So ayan yung dala natin na car battery. So may 3 pala tayong dala, so hopefully that's enough. Alright guys, so papunta na kami sa Bye Bye. So yung the place is called Bye Bye. So kasama natin si Mama guys, ayan. And then kasama din natin si Ange. And guys, so ready na for the beach. May dinaanan lang bibili ng snacks, etc. And then we're gonna proceed there. Nauna na doon si Papa, guys. Kasi siya yung may kilala talaga sa owner ng place. It's a private lot, hindi siya public. So yeah, so we're grateful to have the opportunity na madaling puntahan lang doon kasi kilala namin, actually relative namin yung owner. So nakabili na kami ng drinks.
Malapit man sa eskwelahan.
And then yung mga e-snacks. So alis na kami na bit. Inaantay na lang namin sila Kuya Mac Vlogs kasi bumili pa. Yeah. Update later. Kuya Mark, pangkot. Right guys, so i-assist muna natin yung expander, si Rusty, sa pagpababa. Kasi medyo may yung pababa, may malaki yung angle. So ayan. Kaya kayo. Ayan. Ayan guys, so papasok na tayo. We're going in. So yun lang, ito kasi private lot siya, kaya papasok talaga siya. Hindi naman siya masyadong malayo, pero it's really a secluded place. Very private actually yung place. Sobrang nature. Fun fact guys, dito kami first nag-try mag-camping talaga. So actually may mga videos pa, maybe edit ko yon in the future. This is where it really all started, sa totoo lang. Yung sa pag-camping namin lahat, dito nagsimula. And dito muntikang nag-stop din yung camping kasi we almost got discouraged kasi grabe yung ulan and hangin that time and we weren't prepared. We really did not expect na ganun pala yung kumbaga real weather talaga, kumbaga. So yeah.
Lagi buta niya.
Ayan, atake pa. Tayo hope. Alright, hi guys. So, nakapag-setup na kami. So, we're here at Bye Bye. So, ito yung place here is called Bye Bye. So, yan, sobrang ganda dito guys. Nakapag-drone shots na tayo kaunti kanina, pero hihingin na lang tayo ng drone shots dito. Mamaya. Yan, nagda-drone si Kuya Mac Vlogs. Droning. Alright, so yan, basically this is the place. Alright, yan. So nakapag-setup na kami. Andyan sila Von and si Maggie, nagtatampisaw na. Yan, naka-setup na. Setup na tayo here. Then sila Kuya Mac Vlogs naka-setup na din. Sila Mr. Motoholic is setting up pa. Yan. So yeah, medyo cozy lang yung pagitan namin kasi hindi ganoon kalawak yung space. guys, so kakain muna tayo kasi wala pa tayong kain. Ayan, so may dala tayong, dito sa amin tawag to uyap. Ano bang tawag nito normalita?
Shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste or bagoong. Yeah, so masarap na masarap to. Kakain tayo ngayon. Kumakain din si Raj guys. So, ayan guys. Galit pa rin siya sa akin guys. Yan guys, so today isa-set up natin yung inverter. So yan, may dala tayong inverter. And then may dala tayong battery. So isa-set up natin. Alright. Yan. So yan, so basically yung positive side sa positive terminal and then yung negative, syempre sa negative terminal. Remember to not mix it up. Ayan. Alright. So let's test. Yeah. Oo, under good eh. Try daw. Try daw.
3 in 1.
It works! So secured na yung energy source. Alright, so katapos na ng kain guys, magre-relax tayo for a bit and then we're gonna start securing the awning and the tents. Kasi guys, kapag nasa dagat or nasa tabing dagat, the problem is or may tendency na lalakas talaga yung hangin. Isi-secure natin in a bit yung tents and the awning. So yeah, kasi baka sana naman hindi ulan, pero if ever hindi na, we won't struggle mamaya or hindi kami mahirapan. Alright, so catch you later. Ako ang diri sa front mo akong gamiton.
Wala na, ibalik.
Ay.
Alright guys, so update. It's already night, mga around 6 na ata. Kakababa lang ng araw. So we were just getting started with dinner. Nagluluto na doon banda. So natapos na natin ng secure yung ating guy lines. Ginamitan natin yung mataas na pegs kasi kapag in case lakas yung hangin later, wala nang problema. In a bit we're gonna start setting up the tents na naman kasi doon tayo tutulog. So yeah, kasi actually yung last time again pumunta kami dito, we had an overnight, wala pa kaming experience masyado, kaya ang nangyari is muntikan talaga kaming napahinto sa aming camping kasi it was discouraging kasi malakas yung ulan and then we were not prepared. Basically na halos nalipad yung entire setup namin, bro. So yan guys, so hopefully kasi this is already pang ilan na namin to na camping trip, we've learned a lot already in terms sa getting ready kung uulan or kapag hangin, etc. So ayan, quick tour guys, quick tour tayo around camp. So basically tatlong setup tayo. Nandito yung ating setup, nandito si mother and father guys, ayan sila under the Montero. So okay na dyan, okay na yung guidelines, nakasetup na. Tapos andito nakasetup sila Kuya Mac Vlogs, ayan. So they're just fixing yung LED strip nila sa awning. Dito din tapos na sila Mr. Motoholic Vlog. Ayan, naka-ready na din sila. Ayan. So basically this is camp. Pupunta tayo sa likod guys. Kasi may kubo dito. Ayan. So sa likod, nag-start na tayo ng ano. Ayan. So we're starting to cook rice. Ayan. Alright. Yeah. So yun lang talaga kapag yung ganito na place, kasi wala talagang, there's no access to electricity or water, you need to be prepared. Dapat talaga may dalang power station or any form of energy or power source, kasi walang, yun nga, there's no electricity here, kahit tubig. Kaya madami kaming dalang lalagyan ng tubig, both for washing and for drinking them. Alright guys, so quick update. Kakatapos na natin ng setup ng tent. Yung first tent, yung nature hike. Ayan. So we made sure na nilagay natin yung mga guidelines talaga. Normally hindi ko na to nilalabas. I just peg the tent and I don't put the guidelines anymore. But again, kasi nasa tabi tayo ng dagat, we need to. We won't take chances from experience yan namin. Mahirap na kung anong tawag nito, magte-take tayo ng chances. So ayan, naka-full talaga tayo na guidelines. This ain't going anywhere. So we're done setting up my tent. Ayan. Natapos na natin ang setup.
Saka i-vlog na to.
Oh, yeah.
Power on.
Pero naroon din.
Sige,
Bluetooth
yan na.
mode.
Yan guys, so na-setup na natin. Nilagay natin talaga lahat ng guidelines kasi we're not taking chances. Kung ulan, then okay. Pero kapag hindi, mas maganda. Yung important is hindi na tayo lalabas in the middle of the night. So we're gonna go a bit doon sa may crab traps. May nilagay si Kuya Tads ng crab traps. Titingnan natin. So yan guys, yung tubig ngayon nandito. It's just around knee deep lang. Ganun na talaga yung tubig dito. This won't get any higher or any lower. Ito na yung kumbaga yung max ng high tide. So andito yung crab traps. Yan.
Meron nang nakapasok.
Ayan yan.
Yan ang stubborn masyado, ayaw pumasok. Ang kinakain niya lang yung nag-float sa labas na mga pain.
So guys, yung mga ganyang crab sa amin, yung tawag nyo, wing-wing ang tawag yan. Wing-wing. Maliliit.
Reference to the 1980s na yung artista na na midget na artista.
Crab trap. So yan, so ayun yung camp guys. Makikita nyo.
Dito kabila Yan
Ayan,
may isa pa
Isang crab, ayun yung pumasok. Nagdadalawang isip pa siya guys if
So yan?
bright na crab yun. Papasok pa
Intelligent.
siya. Anyways, yeah. Let's check back again later kung may nakuha tayo sa crab trap or wala ba. Right? So normally yung the way you cook yung mga maliliit na crab, sinasabaw yan siya guys. Yun yung tawag din. Sinasabaw lang yan siya normally. The soup is sweet. Oh,
Tad? Oh. Nagbutang ka diha?
yan guys, so pukot or net, fish net na andun si Kuya Tad sa kabilang side nitong itong actually estuary to, nandun siya sa kabilang side.
Pwede maligo lang.
Yung may mangroves. Yeah, doon. Alright, so chill mode muna tayo. Dito tayo sa kubo ngayon. Yan. Nagluluto sila doon ng belly. And bagay-bay. Then nandun si Von. Pinaglalaroan yung blower. Pinaglalaroan niya yung blower, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon, chill lang muna kasi medyo mainit, it's humid. Hopefully hindi uulan kasi normally kapag humid yung sumusunod niyan is ulan na. So hopefully hindi, but ready naman kahit pa uulan, no problem na tayo dyan. Update tayo mamaya again when we start eating na. Malapit na maluto yung food. The menu for dinner is grilled tuna belly from my last trip sa Jensen, and then grilled bagaybay. So bagaybay in English, guys, bagaybay. Lalagay ko na lang dito kung ano yung English ng bagaybay. Right, so masarap yan siya, guys. Ayan, guys, so naglalaro siya ng cube game. Medyo mainit talaga. It's really quite humid. Halos walang hangin. Bruh.
Parang may galit. Speechless ko.
So if makikita nyo, ayan guys, so yung
Ayaw na dagulag.
wala talagang hangin. Very, very humid. Kasi medyo nasanay na din kami, our past 3 so nasanay kami sa malamig, guys, kasi yung past namin camping trips na sa Buda kami. So
Kasi namin hindi ko kasama yung jowa.
it's very cold doon. Hindi kagaya dito. So nasanay na
Sunog na.
sunog na daw yung belly, guys.
Grilling with first time grilling with wood, hindi charcoal. Grilling wood with wood.
Bro,
Tablagi.
sunog.
The charcoal fire.
So yan, guys, smoke hickory charot. Alright, guys, so update, kakatapos lang ng kain. We just finished eating. So yan, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys, kapag andito sa tawag nito, okay lang naman kay dili man na siya unsa sa tabi ng dagat, malakas talaga yung hangin. As you can see, check nyo, diba? Malakas na yung hangin, guys. Ganito talaga to normally dito. Yan, malakas na yung hangin. Pag malakas yung ulan, may dala talagang hangin. Anyways, yung ating setup dito, wala namang problema. So as you can see, malakas na talaga yung ulan. Yung hangin, lang, pabalik-balik lang, pero hindi naman talaga sobrang there are sudden gusts of wind, medyo malakas, pero aside from that, okay naman.
Okay guys, so it's raining with a bit of wind. So now Puyo TV is fixing.
Alright, guys, so hindi pa natapos ni Bon yung food niya. Yan. So a lot of you might ask, tatanong kayo na ba't kami sumasabak sa mga gantong it's part of it talaga. It's somewhat of a, you're trying to challenge yourself sa mga ganito na bagay. Yun yung problem talaga dito pag sa tabi ng dagat. The weather is unpredictable, but as long as you ready naman yung setup nyo, wala namang problema. But don't expect talaga na perfect na, kumbaga kung uulan, don't expect na parang nasa bahay lang kayo, na hindi kayo mababasa, etc. But the important thing is hindi naman siya na to a point where it's uncomfortable. Maybe siguro kung sa pagsa-start, medyo uncomfortable. Pero kapag nasanay ka na, wala namang problema. It's just really, this is the thrill. And this is just really the thrill of it all.
Redemption arc na naman.
Redemption arc na gani. So far, wala namang problema.
Pero grabe yung sa start yun ba? Ay, yung unang bye-bye. Puno yung awning, yung checking tent, kailangan yun.
Oh, tas si Ans, hapit na siya gilupad sa sunod.
Salud dito ba sa
Wapo lagi. Nice, good.
Maligaw na lang yung putan. Ha? Wala.
Bro.
Tulugan nila kayo ng awami, pakialam at pinapagyan ko.
Yeah. So ayan, pero yun, ganyan lang yung ulan dito. Just around 5 minutes or so, hindi siya tumatagal. Pero medyo malakas lang talaga. This is quite a redemption arc sa amin kasi nung last time we were here, wala talaga, super unprepared talaga. Ayun, konting adjust na lang. But good, very good na. And honestly, in times like this, the best ano talaga is nasa loob ng tent, no problem. So ayan guys. Di ba? Wala na yung ulan. In times like this, yun nga, as I've said, sa tent yung pinaka comfortable and safest talaga. That's why we set up the tent na lahat ng guidelines nakalagay kasi kapag lalakas yung ulan, no problem. Alright guys, so ayan, may gamit yung ating ano tawag nito, yung nilagay natin. Ayan, may LED bar tayo sa taas. Sobrang lakas guys. So ayan, as you can see, ka-on. Yan, pag naka-off, yan, gamit na gamit yung ating ayan guys. So maliligo tayo now. Maliligo tayo. Basin maon saka. Hinahinay lang. And guys, so fun fact kasi si Ange guys kakagaling ng knee injury. So ano pa, recovering. So ayan, you can see sobrang lakas ng ating LED bar. Sobrang gamit na gamit yung LED bar natin guys. Alright, ayos. So yeah, maliligo muna tayo. Ito yung pinaka basic talaga na setup. Pwede fly sheet lang. So ayan,
Dito hulog tanan ng tubig.
fly sheet lang siya. And then just
Huwag ka naman
poles.
magmura, grabe ka naman.
So yan, tapos nasa likod lang. Ito yung pinaka basic talaga. This is what I said nung last time, and hopefully matatackle natin in the future na hindi mo kailangan ng madaming gamit para mag-umpisa ng car camping. Fly sheet lang, and yung sasakyan mo, bring food, etc. Pwede na, no problem. Hindi talaga necessary to start car camping na may awning ka agad, may rooftop tent, hindi naman. Pero if meron ka namang pangbili nun, why not? But for those of you who are yung mga nagdadalawang isip mag-start, then yeah. Alright, so hindi tayo naka-recap kanina. Kumusta yung kalagayan? Ayan, so this is Camp Fuyu. Wala namang problema. Relax na relax. Si Mother Deer lang yung parang hindi pa rin relax. Dito naman sa kang Kuya Mac Vlogs, no problem. Si Maggie nasa loob, sa cellphone lang. Dito kang Mr. Motoholic Vlogs, sumakses na talaga yung setup. Oh my god. Bruh. Lagyan natin ng dagdag na ano, guideline dito sa taas para lang ano, mas maganda yung ventilation. Naka-open canopy basically. So ayan, this is just a fly sheet. I can link this in the description guys. Sobrang ganda nito ng fly sheet kasi ripstop na yung kanyang fabric. So hindi siya madaling mapunit. Magandang fabric. Very tear resistant. Yun yung tinatawag na ripstop. From Altitude Outdoors, I will link them in the description. Nasa may Shopee sila. Maganda yung fly sheet. Sobrang ganda. Out of all the fly sheets that I've bought, sa Kang Altitude yung pinakamaganda na fly sheet. So ayan, dinagdagan nila Kuya Mac Vlogs ng isang parang extension. Hindi na makita kasi wala ng ilaw. Saan ba? So ayan, as you can see, nilagyan ng dagdag na fly sheet over here para yung other side is hindi mabasa. So ayan, tents are fine. Oy, tents are
Okay
fine.
guys, time check. Wow, ako hindi ko makita. Time check, it is already 11:17 and Fuyu TV is not yet back. Ihatid kasi sila. Ay, hindi na ako nagpatagalog. Hindi nasan ko kabalo mo English. Basta gihatod sila ni Fuyu TV because yeah, ambot ewan ako ano. But while chilling here in the campsite, as you can see, Kuya Mac Vlogs has already set up his pocket karaoke, ambot and ako ay napalo ay nade. Ako yes. Basa ka to ra. Oman gud si Puyo TV. Lain sad walay ano. Ito pala yung snail namin guys na nakuha kanina. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wait lang. Kana syaro. So yun na guys. Very nice, very chill after the rain. Si Puyo TV na mag-update sa inyo niya.
Alright, so nakahiga na tayo. Medyo lumakas na yung ulan. If the rain gets any stronger later, mag-update lang ako. But for now, moderate rain. Yeah. So ito yung dala ko, by the way. O2 power bank from O2 Philippines pa rin. It's the Thunder Block. Yung ano lang ata, hindi ata to yung 100 watts. Ito yung 65 watts lang ata. It's O2 Thunder Block. True rated yung power bank na to. 100,000 milliamp hours or 60,000 ata if I'm not mistaken. So tired guys. So yan. So andito tayo sa tent. Yung sa nature hike tent. Andun si ano tawag nito? Andun si mother and father. And then sa Montero dun si Ange natulog kasi mas madali sa kanyang umakyat doon kesa dito. Mahirap mag-bend too much. So yeah, we're trying to avoid na dito sa tent kasi nagbe-bend siya too much Yun again, if you don't know, kakagaling lang ng knee injury ni Ange. Kaya doon siya sa Montero. Meanwhile tayo, solo na naman natin yung ating Desert Fox by ever so trusted Desert Fox. Ilang camping trips na I always sleep here. Yeah, through rain, heavy rain. Kahit heavy rain, tested na to guys. Ako personally, super recommend ko talaga tong Desert Fox na tent. So yeah. Ano pa ba? Nothing more. Tama pala yung fan ko. Ito yung fan na dala ko. Nothing really special. I'm really found that medyo hassle na yung batteries kasi may times na hindi siya naabutan ng next morning. The only downside to this, ito direct na to USB. Ginawan ko lang ng nilagyan ko ng USB cable. So direct na siya. Just kailangan mo isaksak to any power source na pwede USB. Vlog natin sa Buddha, I explained about the tent na bakit nababasa tayo sa loob ng tent. So dalawang lang yan. There are only two reasons why. Reason 1 is Reason 1 is condensation. Kumbaga may condensation sa loob. Why? Kasi hindi separate yung fly sheet sa inner tent. Ang nangyayari is most of the tents that we buy, yung mga cheaper tents, isa lang yung wall niya, yun na din yung rain fly niya. Wala siyang separate rain fly. Di kagaya dito guys, if you can see, separate to. Yung rain fly nandun sa labas and may mesh sa loob. So may place na mag-circulate yung hangin, hindi siya magko-condensate. Second reason is more than likely baka old na talaga yung tent mo and it needs some patching. Sana makapagising tayo na maaga, makapag time lapse tayo. I don't think we're gonna get any star time lapses tonight kasi on off yung ulan and then sobrang cloudy sa labas. So yeah. Alright, so see you tomorrow.
Ay ka. Ay dili. Wala.
Ito na.
Wala.
Na nahuli. Ito siguro kang
Tapos nasa dagat pa. Perfect. Wow. Okay guys, so
Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed that video, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you and see you in the next video.